Second question po ng solutions of oblique triangle. And ang question po rito ay determine the value of, actually base po dito sa triangle na to, sa video na to. Letter A is angle C, letter B is side A, letter C is side C, and letter D is area. Okay, type ko to. Pagka ganito po, ang question na kung saan is dalawang side unknown. Pagka ganyan po, hindi muna tayo papasok talaga doon sa cosine law. Talagang magpo-focus tayo sa sine law. At pag meron tayong nakita na dalawang angle, samantalahin na kagad natin, pwede na nating makuha yung angle C. Therefore, yung angle C, kita-kita na kasi yung total nito ay 180 degrees. Equals to 180 minus 120 minus 20. Lalabas is equals to 40 degrees. So, okay na yung angle C, no? Dalawang angle na lang. Therefore, pwede nating ipasok sa sine law. Mangyari po ay A over sine of 20 degrees is equals to B over B, ipasok na natin yung value 14 kasi 14 over sine of 120 degrees. Therefore, by cross multiplication, mapapalabas na natin yung A. A equals to sine of 20 multiplied by, pakita ko to, labo. Multiplied by sine of 20 times 14 over sine is 14, 120 degrees. Therefore, kailangan talaga ng calculator. A equals to sine of 20 degrees. Isa natin, sine of 20, 0.342. Ito naman 14 over sine, and sine of 120 equals to 0.8662. 0.8662. Therefore, mangyari po ay A equals to 5.52. 527 na lang para sigurado. Therefore, okay na yung A. Pwede na natin kunin yung C sa pamamagitan ng sine law ulit. Therefore, B, makuha natin C, B over of sine, B is 14. B over sine of 120 degrees. Equivalent to C, yung hinahanap, over, kasi meron ng C, sine of 40. Sine of 40 degrees. Therefore, by cross multiplication, mapapalabas natin yung C. C equals to sine of 40 degrees times 14 over sine of 120 degrees. Therefore, mangyari po ay C is equivalent to, let's natin to, no? So, lalabas po ay 10.39. 10.39. So, okay na lahat ng side eh. Yung C, yung A, tapos yung isang angle. So, yung tatlo, okay na, yung area na lang. Therefore, yung area, using a Heron's formula, area equals to square root of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, per S yung semi-perimeter of a triangle. Therefore, S is equals to, malabo talaga siya, S is equals to 14 plus A is 5.527 plus 10.39 divided by 2. Isahin natin to. Plus 5.527 plus 14 divided by 2. Labas ay 14.959. 959. Double check. Okay. Therefore, papasok na lang natin ito rito. Therefore, area equivalent to 14.959. So, tatlo siya, no? Yan. Una, minus natin sa 14. Therefore, magiging 0.959. Pangalawa, minus natin sa 10.39. Equivalent to 4.569. Double check. Okay. Pangatlo is 14.959 minus 5.527. Equivalent to 9.42 times 4.569 times 0.959 times 14.959 equivalent to 600 oops 618.224. Therefore, the area is equals to where to 618.224 24.86 square units kasi area to. So, okay naman na lahat. Mamaya po is problem number 3. Okay, thank you po. Salamat.